Welcome to the step-by-step guide to Afterpay Merchant List. Afterpay is a popular buy now pay later service that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments. To get started with Afterpay, merchants need to sign up and be approved to offer this payment option to their customers. First, navigate to the Afterpay website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic business information, including your business name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to create a password and agree to the terms and conditions. Next, you will need to provide more detailed information about your business, including your business type, industry, and average order value. You will also need to provide information about your online store, including your website URL and the platforms you use to sell your products. Afterpay will review your application and may request additional information or documentation to verify your business. This may include proof of identity, business registration, and bank statements. Once your application is approved, you will be able to access the Afterpay Merchant Dashboard. In the dashboard, you can manage your Afterpay account, track sales and payments, and access marketing materials to promote Afterpay to your customers. You can also customize the Afterpay payment option to fit your brand and website. To add Afterpay as a payment option on your website, you will need to integrate the Afterpay API or use a third-party plugin. Afterpay provides integration guides and support to help you with this process. Once you have added Afterpay as a payment option, your customers will be able to select it at checkout and pay for their purchases in installments. Afterpay will handle the payment processing and send you the payment minus a small fee. Best practices for using Afterpay include clearly displaying the Afterpay payment option on your website, promoting it through social media and email marketing, and ensuring that your customers understand the terms and conditions of using Afterpay. You should also monitor your Afterpay sales and payments regularly to optimize your use of the service. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Afterpay into your business and offer your customers a convenient and flexible payment option.